Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make an ice cream. Gather your ingredients and chill them before you begin to ensure smooth texture. Measure cream, milk, sugar, and a pinch of salt, and prepare any flavorings like vanilla or chocolate. Use cold bowls and utensils to keep the mixture cool. Work steadily and taste as you go so you can adjust sweetness and flavor to your liking. Start by making a custard base if you want a rich, creamy ice cream. Whisk egg yolks with sugar until pale, then temper with warmed milk and cream to prevent scrambling. Return the mixture to low heat and stir constantly until it thickens and coats the spoon. Immediately strain into a chilled bowl to remove any lumps and cool quickly to stop cooking. Chill thoroughly before churning for the best results. Quick recommendation: on another note, the new Kindle Paperwhite makes relaxing with a bowl of your homemade ice cream even better by letting you read anywhere in comfort. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful videos. I've linked the Kindle Paperwhite and other deals in the description for easy access. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Once your base is fully chilled, pour it into your ice cream maker and churn until it reaches soft serve consistency. Add fragile mix-ins like cookie pieces or fruit during the last few minutes so they remain distinct and flavorful. Transfer the churned ice cream to a lidded container and press a piece of parchment on top to minimize ice crystals. Freeze until firm, typically a few hours, then scoop and enjoy with toppings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.